I've been painting with watercolor now for over 20 years. And in those years, I've constantly been learning new and crazy things about this wonderful art form. It's never once disappointed me and given me the gift of creating new and whimsical worlds on just a simple blank piece of paper. But in those 20 years, probably the greatest tip I have ever received when it came to painting with watercolor was learning to preserve the white of my paper, which can be done in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, use masking fluid. Before you even begin to paint, really plan out where you desire to keep the absolute white of your paper. Basically, think of your paper as a glass window, and you are planning how much sunlight you actually desire to shine through it. The more paint you place on the paper, the less light or luminescence will be seen in your painting. Step number 2, use layers. This is also known as glazing. As much as possible, try to use a wide range of values from your paints and even create new colors by glazing over old ones. Build your intensity through glazing to help keep as much of your paper shining through those paint layers. And finally, step number 3, use negative painting. Usually we think of objects in our paintings as solids, but for this step, think in reverse. Instead, view your empty spaces as solids. If you do this same technique in layers through glazing, you will create a feeling of depth and a really cool luminescent way to paint objects in your painting.
Hey y'all, my name is Carrie, the artist behind Watercolor Misfit. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and like and all the other wonderful YouTube things that I'm sure y'all are all aware of and know how to do. Also, I wanted to let you know this particular painting was part of a watercolor challenge that is going on inside of Misfit Land. And if you would like to kind of participate in that watercolor challenge, it's going to be going on through the month of February, and there's several different activities that you can do with those, as well as I have videos that go along with those challenges, such as mixing purples, which I actually use several of those purples, kind of bluish purple hues, for this particular painting. Anyway, lots of love, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this once again, and I will see you soon. Bye.